Hi, I'm Adam Bray with South Plains Implement, and this is another edition of CUTclips. Today we're going to talk about getting your tractor ready for the season after it's been stored during the winter. There are a few things you'll want to check over. Today we're using a 3032E. This is our most common tractor, but yours may be slightly different depending on what model you have, but the basic premise and what you need to check are the same across all models. Now you'll want to, of course, check your tire pressures, and there are different places on these to check your front differential oil, your engine oil, your transmission hydraulic oil, and I'll talk about those real briefly. There is on the front axle of your tractor, there'll be a dipstick here that you can unscrew to check the oil in your front differential. There is also a dipstick for your engine oil, and it'll have a yellow top on it that you can grab with your finger, pull out, and check your oil. Air filters on these are located underneath the hood, and it's also a good idea while you're doing this to make sure that your radiator and your coolers, all your cooling package up here, are all clean, free of debris. Blow them out, brush them out, whatever's easiest for you, but make sure those are clean to keep your tractor running cool. You'll also want to pay attention to how long it's been since you serviced it last. Something that can save you money down the road is keeping up with your maintenance. Every year, making sure that things like your filters are clean, your oil levels at the right spot. This will actually save you money down the road. And other than the things I've mentioned, there's also a dipstick for the transmission fluid that's on the back of the tractor, and you can find that real easily. Check your fuel filter. That's important too, to make sure there's no water in it from storing over the off season. Fuel filters located here, easy to find. One other thing that you'll want to check as you're getting ready, it's good to check, is grease your loader pins. And you'll see them, they're real easy to find along the sides of the tractor and on the bucket. Just give them a few squirts of grease, and that'll ensure that you don't have any problems as you work it during the year. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.